हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हाय। और कैसे हैं आप लोग? नाउ यू आर वाचिंग अरुण व्लॉग्स। और ऐसे आपने हेडिंग देख के समझ आ गए होंगे हम आज क्या बात करने वाले हैं। फॉर ऑन व्हाट टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फूड exit from Indian market after operating for 24 around 25 years in India. American auto major Ford Motor Company has decided to pull the plug on local manufacturing in India. Right. आप सही सुन रहे हैं. Decided to pull the plug on local manufacturing. The US automaker said that it would take a hit of around about $2 billion as it does not see a path of profitability in India. The company, which has once tasted success with models like Ford Icon, Figo, and EcoSport, and has currently a passenger vehicle market share of less than 2%. Yeah, right. Ford India will wind down its operation at its plant in Sadanand in Gujarat by this fourth quarter, Q4 of 2021, and I think so. Vehicle and engine manufacturing in its Chennai plant by 2022. You're right. Ford is the fifth automaker which has announced to stop manufacturing in India after MAN Trucks, General Motors, Harley Davidson, and GM Motorcycles. Also, Honda Cars India shuts its facility in Greater Noida, UP. The Japanese car maker discontinued its CR-V and Civics model in the country. However, Honda has another facility, Tapkara plant in Rajasthan, which continue to be operational. Major reason we can think about. What are the major reasons that Ford has decided to end manufacturing in India? Yes, right. Major is weak demand. Demand. Why? Yeah, Ford has announced that they have accumulated operating loss of more than $2 billion in 10 years in India. Demands for its new vehicle have been weak. Ford India head Mr. Anurag Malhotra said despite the effort, they have not been able to find a sustainable path forward to long-term profitability. Another reason is the low-cost car. India car manufacturing, India car markets majorly is mainly dominated by cars from Maruti and